We are what they call an IP boutique, which is intellectual property boutique, meaning that we focus on all kinds of intellectual property law. I was recently at a birthday party with my daughter, and someone responded so enthusiastically, and I said, "Oh, why so much enthusiasm?" And she said, "Because I have no idea what that means." And so I said, well, trademarks, copyrights, patents, basically we help people to protect their brands and ideas. And, a lot of people don't know, but this actually goes back to the U.S. Constitution. Actually written into the Constitution in Article 1 is a requirement that Congress promote science and the useful arts by allowing inventors and writers exclusive rights in their work for a limited period. And it required Congress actually to pass the intellectual property law. So it's sort of a foundational concept. Intellectual property has different relevance to different people. So in a large corporation, they're going to have a whole program for protecting their intellectual property that's going to be part of their, ongoing day-to-day business. For an entrepreneur in a startup, really the IP can be a lever, and they have to figure out where the right place is to put the lever to try to get into a market. So it can have different value for different kinds of companies. I do litigation both on the patent side and on the trademark side, also copyrights and trade secrets. Recently I did a really interesting trade secret case that involved simulation software used by what they call war fighters in Saudi Arabia to do trainings.
Interesting.
And that was a really interesting argument to the judge to be able to point out that a preliminary injunction against my client shouldn't issue because there was a real public interest reason why that product should be allowed to ship. So it can get very interesting. And I do a lot of patent litigation and probably more patent and trademark litigation than anything else.
Right.
And on the trademark side, the issues, can involve any kind of industry. So it really is a wide variety of practice.